Alright, it's that time of year again. Me and Mike are headed to the snow show, the Jacktown Snow Show. And it's about ready, all loaded up. We got our orchard heater and got a few things loaded up. And we're running light. But that's good. Like I say, it's only a snow show. I think it's only from like 7 a.m. till maybe 1. There's my man over there.
Morning.
What you say, buddy? He said, morning. 4:28. Sounds early, huh?
No.
Road King was up at 3:15 on his way here.
Lunchtime.
You know what? I didn't even go to sleep last night.
Is that right?
Because I usually go to bed at 3.
Huh.
No sense in me going to bed.
I guess not.
Got the old Ford here and working on that, so. Yeah, we're going to film this. I wasn't going to film this, but I think the one time I didn't film the snow show, got a lot of complaints. A lot of guys like that show. They love that show, so.
You've never missed a snow show video.
Yeah, I think one of them I didn't film, and
Really?
And when I didn't film it, they let me know about it.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so.
It's an institution.
I know. They love the fire, the bonfire. Bonfire. Bonfire.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll show you guys when we get there. We got what, about almost a 2-hour ride.
Definitely.
Yeah, so we'll see you up there. Alright, it's gonna be a little bouncy here. Yeah, me and Mike, we took a different way than normal, but we'll go in the same entrance we always did. And the sun's coming up. We played around in his house a little longer than we usually do.
Hey.
And didn't start the fire yet, though.
I'm surprised. Usually they got it going, don't they?
Yeah, by 7. Yeah, it's just about 7 now. Sorry about the movement. I know that bothers a lot of you guys.
Whoa,
Easy,
whoa,
Mike.
yeah.
Oh, Christ.
This is a National Geographic shot.
They're gonna file complaints now.
You know what? I think they built a new tractor pulling shed there. That's pretty nice.
Huh.
They must have did that in the fall.
Huh. Recognize anybody yet?
Yeah. Everybody. It's all the same. It's the same cast and crew.
The same characters.
Yeah.
Here's Jonathan. I see Jonathan's hat. Gotta roll my window down, buddy. You save us a spot.
Hey, good morning, guys.
That's not what I asked him. They already got their stuff running. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, dude! Oh, Mike!
Run over a tree stump.
I think that was an engine. You ran over someone's engine. All right, I'll turn you guys back on once we get set up. Take a look around. All right, looks like you're starting fire. We'll turn it back on when it really gets going. He's catching on pretty well. Wow. There you go. Alright, it looks like they had snow recently, not much though. Just a dusting on the ground. Here's your weather report. Looks like it's 28 degrees out. But as long as you dress warm, you got the big fire over there. Got a little orchard heater over here, and then another one over here. You know, so there's plenty of places to keep warm.
We're already getting a little glow going here.
It draws crowds. I hope nobody backs into our little engine there and knocks it over. You know how them drunks get. Oh wow! Look at John. John's cooking. Alright, Not much of a turnout, decent turnout, but they were calling for bad weather. You know, they're calling for rain. You know, and the temperature dropping, maybe snow, but that might have something to do with it. Me and Mike are gonna take a walk around, see what we got here. It's something interesting you don't see very often. It's an Edwards engine. It's our buddy Jonathan. Got it running nice too. It's a twin cylinder. Nice engine, buddy. Thank you, sir.
No, jumping.
Want to turn and it wouldn't kick off. That's crazy.
Let the gas run down the table.
Yeah.
Put the bottom go up.
Sucks for you, things off.
Put it on the set on the oven in the lockout, and then start reeling because the flywheels are really heavy.
Yeah.
Short rod. And as soon as they're unlocked, you go one start. Let me take one start.
I thought I just seen a snowflake, but I think it was ash. I wonder if fires. This is all the Flea stuff. This isn't engines or nothing.
No glass, no plates, no.
Nice cabinet back here, Mike.
I see that. I like those, you know, it's like that always.
Got them
wheels
gigantic ones.
An interesting old car radio.
I'll throw that over there too.
Yeah, me and Mike took a walk around this flea market, and it's a lot of garbage. You know, wasn't even worth filming for you guys. Light turnout. Is that what's his name, Mike? With the wheelchair? The hell's his name?
Harold?
Harold, yeah.
I don't think so. Harold's much smaller.
Huh. Yeah, you're right. And he moves a lot better.
Yeah. Harold's about 2/3 that height.
Huh. You know what's good about this show? They give you free stew, free donuts, free hot dogs, free marshmallows. You know? And free hot chocolate, free coffee. It's a nice little show. It's just, you know, the weathermen scare people away. Oh, look, this is the building they knocked down, remember?
They took it down all
Yeah,
the way.
yeah.
It must have been bad.
Yeah, oh yeah, the inside, probably dangerous.
Oh my goodness. Tell the kids a story about that.
So house a little better, they have some engines for sale. What was that, some kind of homemade generator? Or?
No, that's one of those Delco Little Joes or Tiny Tims or Airline Continental things.
Is that a Y?
Yeah. So I've never really seen one.
It's a rebuilt tornadoes. Oh, that's somebody else's market. Weather vane.
What could that be?
That has something to do with hitting chisels and stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
He had some mallet for chisel.
For what?
For a chisel. Woodwork. Yeah.
What's the what is that? Just like layered
Leather.
leather? Fabric?
Back leather, yep.
I've never seen that before.
Legs don't work like these.
How you been? Good. How are the holidays, okay? Yeah.
Another upright mic.
So that's gone.
I think our buddy Mike is going to try and start the Brownwall. I don't know if you guys remember, me and Mike restored this. Mike got it running, I prettied it up. Oh. There you go. So one start wonder. One pull wonder.
One pull, yeah.
That's a good run on that
A little
engine.
bit.
Nice air-cooled Brownwall. What is that, 1.5, Mike?
I don't remember. Is it 1.5 or 1? I don't remember.
I don't know, but it's a smaller one for sale. Oh, here's a good deal for somebody. Maytag upright.
Oh, $10. Let me give you a sleeve to put those in, that way they won't get down. There you go.
$400. They usually go for about $650, $700. I've seen them as high as 12. Look at the size of this Snatch Block. This is crazy. Look how big it is compared to my hand. That's the price, $648. Nah, I can't do that. Okay, it's almost noon here, and it's officially a snow show, because I don't know if you can see it, but it's coming down. It's snowing, and it's coming down pretty good. Put the camera up here, and I don't know how well you can see the snow, but it's nice. It's funny. It's a snow show, but once it starts snowing, everybody starts backing up. Look at them all. Oh well. All right, we'll probably say goodbye to you in a little while, so let you know when we're leaving. All right, it's about the end of it. Everybody's packed up and leaving. There's Jonathan and Mike. So this ain't gonna be much of a video, but I'm gonna put it up anyway. You guys can just delete it or watch it. It's up to you. Alright, another snow show in the books. Alright, see you later.